Today we learn essential everyday clothing vocabulary. These are the basic items everyone needs to know. Shirt, t-shirt, pants, jeans, dress, and skirt form the foundation of clothing words for beginners. Here are the 6 basic clothing items. Shirt is formal upper clothing. T-shirt is casual upper clothing. Pants are formal lower clothing. Jeans are casual denim lower clothing. Dress is one-piece women's clothing. Skirt covers women's lower body. A shirt is a formal top garment. It has long sleeves, buttons down the front, and a collar. Also called a dress shirt, shirts are worn with ties for business occasions and always tucked into pants. A t-shirt is casual everyday upper clothing. It has short sleeves and no buttons or collar. Usually made of soft cotton with crew neck style, t-shirts often have printed designs and relaxed fit. Pants are formal trousers for work and office. They have straight legs, belt loops, and smooth fabric. Also called dress pants, they feature a pressed crease down the front for professional appearance. Jeans are casual denim pants with blue wash color. They have rivets, multiple pockets, and 5-pocket design. Durable fabric makes jeans perfect for everyday wear in straight or skinny styles. A dress is a one-piece garment for women combining top and skirt, available for parties or casual wear in different lengths. Dresses come in patterns, prints, and often have sleeveless options. A skirt is women's bottom clothing hanging from waist covering hips and legs, available in casual and formal styles with various lengths. Common types include pencil skirts and A-line skirts, often worn with tights.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.